So everyone, let's unbox this GIGZA Cleaning Mist, which is a streak free anti-static this thing. Comes in such a packing. So I have got the red color. So it's for the screen cleaning and keep it smudge proof. So you get a 50 ml cleaning liquid extra. So this can be used for smartphones, tablets, LCD, LED or TV screens, and for camera lenses. So let's unbox this. You can see it comes in such a packing. So this is for the cleaning liquid 50 ml extra. And this is this thing. So it comes in nice protective case. You have to just push it out, and yeah, and already there will be a liquid present in this. So you just spray and clean. Okay, this is a microfiber cloth, so you can easily spray and clean. And after over, you can use this to clean it. I'll just show how to clean it on a device. On my old device, you can see how it looks. So I have sprayed. You can see, just swipe it. You can see it's like this.